Welcome, beautiful souls, to Abundance River. Today, we're focusing on rebuilding your inner strength and confidence. Life's challenges can sometimes make us doubt ourselves, but within you lies a well of resilience and power. In this session, we'll reconnect with that strength, embrace self-belief, and reignite the confidence to step fully into your potential. Let's begin this empowering journey together. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. As you breathe, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more centered. With each breath, you are becoming stronger. Imagine roots growing from your feet, connecting you to the earth, anchoring you deeply. You are unshakable, strong, and secure. Take another deep breath, and with each exhale, feel your inner strength growing. Now, imagine yourself standing in an open field. The wind is strong, but you stand tall, unshaken. Feel the strength in your legs, the power in your core, and the confidence in your heart. You are rooted to the ground, resilient and unstoppable. No matter what comes your way, you are able to face it with courage and grace. See yourself moving forward, each step filled with power and purpose. You trust yourself completely. Let's affirm your inner strength and confidence. I am strong, resilient, and capable of overcoming any challenge. I trust in my ability to succeed and thrive. I am confident in who I am and what I can achieve. I face challenges with courage, grace, and strength. I am unstoppable, and I believe in my potential. As we close today's session, take a moment to reflect on your inner strength. You are more powerful than you realize, and you have the resilience to overcome any challenge. Whenever you feel doubt or fear, remember that this strength is always within you, waiting to be called upon. Trust yourself, believe in your abilities, and know that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Thank you for being here today and for reclaiming your inner strength. In the next video, we'll focus on manifesting love and abundance into your life, creating the success and joy you deserve. Subscribe and continue this journey of empowerment with me.